Problems on calendar, our next chapter for quantitative aptitude. Before going for the problems, let's first understand some concepts. The first concept is of odd days. We are supposed to find the day of the week on a given date. For this, we use the concept of odd days. In a given period, the number of days more than the complete weeks are called odd days. Then we'll talk about leap year. Every year divisible by 4 is a leap year if it is not a century. Let's see some examples. Each of the years 1948, 2004, 1676, etc. is a leap year. And if it's a century, then every 4th century is a leap year and no other century is a leap year. Please note that a leap year has 366 days. Each of the years 400, 800, 1200, 1600 or 2000 etc. is a leap year. Or none of the years like 2001, 2002, 2003, 2005, 1800 or 2100 is a leap year. These years are called ordinary years. The year which is not a leap year is called an ordinary year. An ordinary year has 365 days. Now let's understand about counting of odd days. One ordinary year equals to 365 days. That is equal to 52 weeks plus 1 day. Hence, one ordinary year has one odd day. And one leap year equals to 366 days. That is equal to 52 weeks plus 2 days. Hence, one leap year has 2 odd days. Now 100 years equals to 76 ordinary years plus 24 leap years. Now let's take one odd day from every ordinary year and 2 odd days from every leap year. That is equal to 76 into 1 plus 24 into 2 odd days. That is equal to 124 odd days. Now the common approach is to simplify all the odd days into complete weeks plus number of leftover odd days. That is equal to 17 weeks plus 5 days. So here number of leftover odd days are 5 odd days. So number of odd days in 100 years equals to 5. And number of odd days in 200 years equals to 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. Now in 10 we have one complete week plus 3 days. So number of leftover odd days is 3 odd days. Similarly, number of odd days in 300 years equals to 5 into 3, that is equal to 2 complete week plus 1 day, that is equal to 1 odd day. Number of odd days in 400 years equals to 5 into 4 plus 1. Plus 1 because a leap year comes in every 4 years. So 3 weeks plus 0 days, that is equal to 0 odd days. So in 400 years there is no odd days. Similarly, each of the multiple of 400 years does not have a odd day as well, like 800 years, 1200 years, 1600 years or 2000 years. Now let's understand day of the week related to odd days. Number of days 0. That means the cycle completes and we start fresh from a Sunday. If number of odd days is 1, that means start from Monday. If number of odd days is 2, we start from Tuesday. Similarly, 3 for Wednesday, 4 for Thursday, 5 for Friday and 6 for Saturday. Now let's look at some questions. It was Sunday on January 1st, 2006. What was the day of the week January 1, 2010 was? The options are Sunday, Saturday, Friday or Wednesday. The right option is option C, Friday. Let's see how. Now it's given that it was a Sunday on 1st of January 2006. That means on 31st of December 2005, it was a Saturday. Now let's calculate the number of odd days from the beginning of 2006 to the end of year 2009. In 2006, 1 odd day. In 2007, 1 odd day. In 2008, 2 odd days because 2008 is a leap year. And 2009, we have again 1 odd day. That is equal to total 5 days or 5 odd days. So as on 31st December 2005, it was Saturday. So on 31st December 2009, it will be Thursday. Moving 5 days ahead. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and the 5th is Thursday. So 1st of January 2010, which comes one day after this will be a Friday. Next question. What was the day on the week of 20th May 2006? The options are Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. The right option is option D, Sunday. Let's see how. Now 20th May 2006 equals to the complete cycle of 2005 years plus period from 1st January 2006 to 20th May 2006. Now, as we know that odd days in 2000 years equals to 0. In fact, odd days in any multiple of 400 equals to 0. So now we are left with only 5 years. So 5 years equals to 4 ordinary years plus 1 leap year. That is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1 into 2 odd days. That is equal to 6 odd days. Now let's count the total number of days in 2006. January 31 days, February 28 days, March 31 days, April 30 days and May 28th. So 28 days. That is equal to 148 days. In 148 days, we are having 21 complete weeks and 1 odd day. So total number of odd days here are 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Hence, till 20th May 2006, we have 0 odd days because 7 completely can be converted as a complete week. So the given day will be a starting day, that is a Sunday. Next question. What was the day of the week on 17th June 1998? The options are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday. The right option is option C, Wednesday. Let's see how. Now 17th June 1998 equals to the complete year cycle till 1997 plus period from 1st January 1998 to 17th June 1998. Let's count the days and number of odd years. As we know that number of odd days in 1600 years equals to 0 and next 300 years will be equal to 1. Now let's see about next 97 years. Now as every 4th year is a leap year, so 97 years has 24 leap years plus 73 ordinary years. So number of odd days in 97 years equals to 24 into 2 plus 73. That is equal to 121 odd days. Now 121 odd days can be converted into 17 complete weeks plus 2 odd days. So the resultant number of odd days equals to 2 odd days. Now let's see the number of odd days for the given period in 1998. January 31 days, February 28 days, March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days and June 17 days. That all total equals to 168 days. Now as 168 is a complete multiple of 7, that gives 24 weeks. That is equal to 0 odd days. So total number of odd days equals to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0. That is equal to 3 odd days. So the given day is Wednesday. Next question. On what dates of April 2001 did Wednesday fall? The options are 1st, 8th, 15th, 22nd or 29th. Second option are 2nd, 9th, 16th, 23rd or 30th. Third option 3rd, 10th, 17th or 24th, or option D 4th, 11th, 18th or 25th. The right option is option D 4th, 11th, 18th and 25th. Let's see how. Now in this case, first we shall find the day on 1st April 2001. So 1st April 2001 equals to 2000 complete years plus period from 1st Jan 2001 to 1st of April 2001. Now as we know that first 1600 years equals to 0 odd days, then next 400 years also equals to 0 odd days. That means the first 2000 years equals to 0 odd days. So let's count the number of days in 2001 till 1st of April. That is equal to January 31 days, February 28 days, March 31 days and April 1 day. All total equals to 91 days. Now 91 is a perfect multiple of 7. 7 into 13 equals to 91. So we are left with 0 odd days. So total number of odd days equals to 0. So on 1st of April 2001, it must be a Sunday. So then 4th must be a Wednesday. And then after that, we'll keep on adding 7 to it. That means every 7th day after 4th will also be a Wednesday. That means 11th, 18th and 25th will be a Wednesday. Next question. How many days are there in X weeks, X days? Answer is 7x square, 8x, 14x or 7. The right option is option B, 8x. Let's see how. Now the given question is X weeks and X days. Now in place of X weeks, we'll put 7x because we have just converted weeks into days and every week equal to 7 days. So it will be 7x plus x days. That means 7x plus x total days. That is equal to 8x days.